Let's explore predictive lifecycle change request flow in 7 steps. Step 1. Whenever someone asks for change or some situation is triggering a change, I need to first determine, does this change requires change control process? Because in my change control plan, it has been explained what kind of changes can go without change control process and what kind of change requires proper change control process. So I need to determine if this change is qualifying for change control. Step 2. Since it is qualified in the step 1, I need to raise the change request. I put category, reason of change, the stakeholder impacted, and high level information as much available at that point in time or this point in time I need to put into a change request. Once the change request is raised as a step 3, I need to see historical decisions from my change control board because it's possible these kind of changes or this particular type of change was raised before and my stakeholders may have already told that we are not going to do it. Yeah, my change control board has already given a decision to me. So if I have a ready-made rejection, I give a reference and communicate to the stakeholder and I stop that particular change request. But if I don't find any historical reference, I need to take it forward. Then I go to step 4. In step 4, I work with experts. I need to collect all the impact assessment from them. So I might be asking technical expert to provide technical assessment, financial expert to provide financial assessment, legal expert to provide legal assessment, procurement expert to provide impact on the vendor side. So all the relevant stakeholders or experts I need to work with and I need to make sure that they provide their assessment. Now their assessment is with me. Step 5, I need to integrate the whole assessment and prepare the complete change request with the full impact assessment. And based on the impact assessment, I also need to identify at what level of change control board this request needs to be approved. If the change is of high level, then probably it go for top level CCB. It might be a lower level change. It can be approved by me also. So I need to identify appropriate level. Now, as a step 6, I present this change to my stakeholders, to appropriate change control board, and then take an appropriate decision from them. Yeah. Final step, I need to implement their decision and also communicate to the stakeholders who are involved in raising that particular change and update appropriate document like change log or lesson learned if it is, in order to make sure that we are integrated. The last step also involves updating the project management plan so that we can really implement the change and also ensuring all the stakeholders who were involved in this change process remain updated about the change and also about the implementation of the change. These are the 7 steps which can help you in visualizing the change control process in predictive life cycle.